To change the fiat wallet currency on Crypto.com, start by logging into your account on the Crypto.com app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts section, which is usually represented by an icon of a person or a profile picture. In the Accounts section, you will see a list of your wallets, including your Fiat wallet. Click on the Fiat wallet to view its details. On the Fiat wallet page, you will see the current currency and balance. To change the currency, click on the three dots or the settings icon and select the currency option. You will then be presented with a list of available currencies to choose from. Select the currency you want to change to and confirm the change. It is essential to note that changing your fiat wallet currency may affect the way you buy, sell, and receive cryptocurrencies on the platform. It is also crucial to be aware of any potential fees associated with changing your currency. Before making any changes, ensure that you understand the implications and have enough funds in your account to cover any fees. Additionally, be aware of the exchange rates and how they may impact your transactions. After changing your fiat wallet currency, review your account settings to ensure that everything is up to date and accurate. This includes checking your wallet balances, transaction history, and any pending transactions. By following these steps, you can easily change your fiat wallet currency on Crypto.com and continue to manage your cryptocurrencies and fiat funds efficiently. It is always a good idea to double-check the platform's terms and conditions and any applicable laws and regulations in your jurisdiction before making any changes to your account settings.